National Electrical Code Section 250.30 states that a feeder to a subpanel must have a minimum of 4 conductors. These consist of 2 ungrounded conductors, 1 grounded conductor, and 1 equipment grounding conductor. However, there is an exception to this rule that is stated in NEC Section 250.30A on. This exception applies where the feeder is a 3-wire single-phase feeder supplying a 2-wire single-phase subpanel with grounded neutral. In this particular case, the grounded neutral conductor may serve as the equipment grounding conductor. This means that if these conditions are met, then it would not be required to upgrade the existing 3-conductor feeder. Firstly, the feeder must be a 3-wire single-phase feeder, which means 120/240 volts. Secondly, it must supply a 2-wire single-phase subpanel. Thirdly, the subpanel must have a grounded neutral conductor. The purpose behind the 4-conductor feeder requirement is to provide a separate equipment grounding conductor for safety reasons. However, in the specific scenario of a 2-wire single-phase subpanel with a grounded neutral, the neutral conductor can effectively perform the function of the equipment grounding conductor. This eliminates the necessity for an additional conductor. While the code does provide an exception in this case, it is always advisable to prioritize safety. It is recommended to follow the inspector's guidance, and by upgrading the feeder to 4 conductors, you can ensure that the electrical system adheres to the most current safety standards. This proactive approach minimizes any potential risks, provides an extra measure of safety, and ensures compliance with the latest electrical codes.